Welcome. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the alignment and what are the different types of alignment and design of horizontal alignment. Right. So here, what is the alignment? Already in the previous class, we discussed it with figures. With figures. See here, if I will explain again here, the video length will become more. That's why here I am explaining about only design of horizontal alignment. If you have any doubts about the alignment and types, please go through the previous videos. Thank you. Right. So here please subscribe to my channel, then only you will get the videos in futures directly into your YouTube. Right? Right. Next. Right. We will move into the topic. Right. So here horizontal curves. Maybe here this is the horizontal curve here, right? Next here this is the horizontal curve. This is the horizontal curve. So right. So here all the horizontal alignment deals with the horizontal curves, especially horizontal curves. Right. What is the horizontal curve? Simple. See here, the direction may be changes with respect to the center line of your road. Right. So here, if we will enter into the curve, then which force is acting on the vehicle? So here, if we will enter into the curve, the centrifugal force is acting. What is the centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is a force which is try to act outwards. See here, forces are two types. One is centripetal force, centrifugal force. Centripetal force is acting towards the center, right? So here centrifugal force is acting outwards the center, right? Clear? This is the centrifugal force, right? So here if we will enter into the curve, definitely centrifugal force is acting, that is outwards the center, right? Clear? This is the curve, this is maybe center, right? So here centrifugal force is acting like this. That's why here we will enter into the curve. Definitely some force is acting on the person is tries to move right side. That's it. We can observe while we enter into the curves. Right. What is the centrifugal force? Centrifugal force formula or equation, that is mv square by r. mv square by r. If I will take g and g, multiplication and division with g, then what will happen here? mg will become w, right? mg will become w, right? So here my formula will become like this: p is equal w v square by zr. v square by zr, right? That's it. Right here, p is the centrifugal force in kg, weight is in kg, radius is in meters, speed is in meter per second, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second. Right. So here this is the vehicle, right? Here this is the tire, right? Centrifugal force is acting like this. That's it, right? Here friction will act here. At the tires, friction will act, right? Next. See here, only two possibilities for the vehicle if we will enter into the curves. If we will enter into the curves, only two possibilities for the vehicle. That is, one is overturning, another one is skidding, lateral skidding, right? Here the skid is lateral skid, right? Already we discussed what is the skid, what is the lateral skid, what is the longitudinal skid. Lateral skid is acts along the width, longitudinal skid acts along the length, right? So here laterally the skid will appear when we enter into the curve. Laterally means along the width, right? So here overturning effect. What is the overturning effect? Means here if we enter into the curve, my vehicle is tries to overturn, right? Toppling will appear. Toppling means definitely accident will occur, right? My vehicle will rotate like this, right? Toppling, right? Clear? Right. So here if I will take the if I will apply the movements for this figure, then what will happen? Tell me. Here P into H, right? If I will apply the movement at B, right? So here I will try to derive the equation, right? Right. So here I'm applying movement here, right? So here force is here. This is the distance, right? So here what is the movement here? For the P force, force into distance, force is P, distance is H. That's it for this force, right? Next, what about this force? Means self weight of the vehicle, right? Self weight is like this. What is this value? What is this value? This value is B by 2. If the total value is B, then this value is B by 2, right? So here if I am applying movement here, what will the formula? Means what is the movement value? Force into distance. Force is W, distance is B by 2. Clear? So here if I will take the equilibrium condition, then P into H will be equal to the W into B by 2. W into B by 2. W into B by 2. Right? So here P by W is equal to B by 2H. B by 2H. Right? So here if I want to save against overturning, definitely my value B by 2H value will become more, P by W value will become less. Means, say here P by W is also known as centrifugal ratio or impact ratio. What is the impact ratio? The ratio between centrifugal force to the self weight of the vehicle. The ratio between these two, we take it as centrifugal ratio. Centrifugal ratio. See here, this ratio value always less, this value always more, then only my vehicle is safe. Yes or no? Yes, definitely. See here, if this force will become more, what will happen? My vehicle is overturning. My vehicle is overturning. So always self weight value is become more. Means resistance value must be more, this value be less, then only my vehicle is safe against overturning. Yes or no? Right, keep in that mind. For the overturning effect, if I want to save, then definitely P by W value always less than the P by 2H, then only my vehicle will save against overturning. Then what is the second condition? That is skidding, lateral skidding. Yes or no? Lateral skidding effect. Lateral skidding effect. Right? So here lateral skidding effect, see here we can take, yeah, see here centrifugal force must be less than the frictional force. Must be less than the frictional force. Then only my vehicle is safe against the skidding. Lateral skidding. Lateral skidding. Right? Clear? Right, that's it. See here, if I will take, see here P less than frictional force. See here frictional force for two cases. One is for A tire, another one is for B tire. Right? Simple. See here, remember like this. Always frictional force must be less than the centrifugal force must be less than the frictional force. Then only my vehicle is safe against the transverse skidding